Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back, Fluentx family.
Day 4. We are building something amazing here.
I am Sarah.
And I am Mike. And if you missed day 3, go back and learn numbers and time first. Then come back here.
Okay, Mike, I want to show you a photo.
Show me.
This is my family. My mother, my father, and my brother.
Ah, that is beautiful. You just talked about your family in English, simply and clearly.
Exactly, and that is today's topic, how to talk about your family in English.
This is one of the most common topics in the entire world. Everyone asks, do you have brothers or sisters? Are you married? Do you have children?
Every single day, somewhere, someone is asking these questions. And today, you will know exactly how to answer.
With confidence, with simple, clear English.
Remember the rule? We say it slowly, you repeat. We say it normally, you repeat. We put it in a sentence, you repeat.
Shadowing. Speak out loud with us today. Your mouth needs the practice.
Quick reminder before we start. Please subscribe so you do not miss day 5 and comment below how many people are in your family.
We want to know. Okay, everyone, let us go.
Let us go. Okay, let us start with the basic family words, the most important ones.
Easy words first. Let us go.
Mother.
Mother.
Slowly. Mother.
Mother.
Good. Father.
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 We also have shorter words for these. Mom.
Mom.
And dad.
Dad.
Mom and dad, very common and everyday speaking.
Mom, dad, very natural.
Now, brother.
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 Sister.
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 Great! Now, if you have both brothers and sisters, you can use one word, siblings.
Siblings. This means brothers and sisters together.
Siblings.
Siblings.
Very useful word. Now let's learn about marriage. Husband.
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 Wife.
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 Now let's learn about children. Son.
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 Daughter.
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 And both together, children.
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 Perfect. Now let's learn extended family. Grandmother.
Grandmother.
Grandmother. We also say grandma.
Grandma.
Grandfather or grandpa.
Grandfather. Grandpa.
Great. Now, uncle.
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 Aunt.
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 And cousin.
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 Excellent! You just learned 10 important family words. Let us say them all together. Mother, father, brother, sister.
Mother, father, brother, sister.
Husband, wife, son, daughter.
Husband, wife, son, daughter.
Grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, cousin.
Grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, cousin.
Wonderful! Now, let us put these words into real sentences. Listen carefully. This is my mother.
This is my mother.
I have 2 brothers.
I have 2 brothers.
My sister lives in another city.
My sister lives in another city.
Perfect. Now, let me ask you a question. How many siblings do you have?
I have 1 sister and no brothers.
Great answer. Now, your turn. Pause the video and say out loud, how many siblings do you have?
Go ahead, say it right now.
Perfect. You just talked about your real family in English.
That feels amazing, right? Using English about your real life?
It really does. Let me quickly review part 1. We learned mother, father, brother, sister,
Siblings, husband, wife, son, daughter.
Grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, cousin.
15 words. Amazing progress.
Okay, part 2 is coming up. We're going to learn how to ask and answer questions about family and describe family members.
Let us go.
Okay, part 2, the most common question about family. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Slowly. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Now, how do you answer this? If you have siblings, you say, yes, I have a brother, or yes, I have 2 sisters.
Yes, I have a brother.
If you do not have siblings, you say, no, I do not have any siblings. I am an only child.
No, I do not have any siblings. I am an only child.
Only child. This means you have no brothers or sisters. Repeat. Only child.
Only child.
Great. Now let us learn about marriage and children. Are you married?
Are you married?
Are you married?
Are you married?
You can answer, yes, I am married, or no, I am single.
Yes, I am married. No, I am single.
Single. This means not married. Repeat. Single.
Single.
Great. Now, do you have children?
Do you have children?
Do you have children?
Do you have children?
You can answer, yes, I have 2 children, or no, I do not have any children yet.
Yes, I have 2 children. No, I do not have any children yet.
Yet. This is a useful word. It means not now, but maybe in the future. Repeat. Not yet.
Not yet.
Perfect. Now let us learn how to describe age in family. How old is your brother?
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 You answer, my brother is 25 years old.
My brother is 25 years old.
Great. Now let us learn comparison words. Older, younger.
Older, younger.
My brother is older than me.
My brother is older than me.
My sister is younger than me.
My sister is younger than me.
Excellent. Now let us learn where family members live. Where does your family live?
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 You answer, my family lives in, and the city name.
My family lives in London.
Great example. Now, what about describing family relationships? Are you close to your family?
Are you close to your family?
Close. This means having a strong, loving relationship. Repeat. Close.
Close.
You answer, yes, I am very close to my family. We talk every day.
Yes, I am very close to my family. We talk every day.
Beautiful sentence. Now let us learn a few describing words for family members. Kind.
Kind.
Funny.
Funny.
Hardworking.
Hardworking.
Caring.
Caring.
Now let us use these in sentences. My mother is very kind.
My mother is very kind.
My brother is really funny.
My brother is really funny.
My father is hardworking and caring.
My father is hardworking and caring.
Beautiful. Now let us practice a full conversation. Listen first, then we shadow together.
I love this part.
Tell me about your family.
Sure, I have a mother, a father, and 1 younger sister. My sister is 20 years old. We are very close.
That sounds lovely. Are you married?
No, I am single. What about you?
I am married. I have a husband and 1 daughter.
Perfect conversation. Now let us shadow this together. Repeat after me. Tell me about your family.
Tell me about your family.
Sure, I have a mother, a father, and 1 younger sister.
Sure, I have a mother, a father, and 1 younger sister.
My sister is 20 years old. We are very close.
My sister is 20 years old. We are very close.
That sounds lovely. Are you married?
That sounds lovely. Are you married?
No, I am single. What about you?
No, I am single. What about you?
Excellent. You just shadowed a complete real conversation about family.
This exact conversation could happen to you tomorrow, at work, with a new friend, anywhere.
And now you're ready for it. Let me quickly review part 2. We learned how to ask and answer about siblings, marriage, children, age, and family relationships. And we practiced a full real conversation.
Perfect review. Now for today's challenge.
Let's go.
Okay, everyone, here is your Day 4 challenge. I want you to say 4 sentences out loud about your real family.
First, I have blank siblings. And how many siblings you have.
Second, my mother is, and describe her with one word.
Third, my father is, and describe him with one word.
Fourth, am I married? Say, yes, I am married, or no, I am single.
Pause the video right now and say all 4 sentences out loud.
Go ahead, we will wait.
Did you do it? Amazing! You just described your real family in real English.
4 days down, 26 more to go.
Look how much you already know.
All right, Fluentx family, let us take a breath together.
In and out.
Today was a beautiful day. We talked about family, the people we love most.
And you spoke out loud about your real mother, your real father, your real siblings.
That is not just English practice. That is something personal, something real.
Here is your homework for today. Tell someone about your family in English. A friend, a mirror, even your pet.
Yes, even your pet counts. Just speak it out loud.
That repetition is how this becomes natural.
Come back tomorrow for Day 5. We are going to the coffee shop. Real conversation practice for ordering drinks.
If you have not subscribed yet, please do it now so you do not miss Day 5.
And drop a comment. Tell us how many siblings you have. We genuinely want to know.
We read everything. This is your safe space to practice and grow.
This is Sarah.
And this is Mike.
And you have completed Day 4 of Speak English in 30 days.
See you tomorrow for Day 5.
Bye, family.
Bye.